My name is Satvik. I am studying in first standard.
My name is Anvita. I am studying in first standard.
We are studying in St. Philomena High School, Chandapura branch.
States and capitals.
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Mysore; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agutara; Uttaranchal, Dehradun; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata.
9 Union Territories.
9 Union Territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadar, Nagar Haveri, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Beria, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
The Constitution of India.
The Constitution of India. Preamble: We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, to hereby enact and new to our self Constitution.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Top 10 kings of Karnataka.
Top 10 kings of Karnataka: Kulakeshri II, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavasha, Madakari Nayaka, Kittorani Chennamma, ಅಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕ ಚಂದ್ರ ಜೋಡೆಯ ಕೆಂಪೇಗೌಡ.
ಋತುಗಳು 6.
ಋತುಗಳು 6. ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು. ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಅಶ್ವಿನ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
4 ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು.
4 ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು. ಪೂರ್ವ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ, ಉತ್ತರ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ.
4 ವೇದಾಸ್.
4 ವೇದಾಸ್. ಋಗ್ವೇದ, ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ, ಸಾಮವೇದ, ಅಥರ್ವಣ ವೇದ.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಕುವೆಂಪು, ಕಾಂತಾರ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕಾಕ್, ವಿ.ಆರ್. ಅನಂತಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ ಕಂಬಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.